Stop using being too weird as an excuse not to make friends, okay? Your alleged weirdness is not as unique or bad as you say it is. It's just an excuse to not make friends. Like, don't you think it's a bit, like, self-obsessed to think you're that weird? Like, that uniquely weird that you can't make friends? No, you're just not making any efforts. You have this, either you actually fear that people are gonna think you're weird and you're afraid of rejection, or like you don't actually even believe it. Like, I don't know what's going on in your head. If that's you, like, I don't know, I'm not gonna claim what's going on, but either way, it's nonsense. Okay, you're not too weird to make friends. Even if you are really weird, if you're really weird, you're gonna find people who appreciate your weirdness. You're gonna find fellow weird people. Like, what, you think you're the only weird guy? The hell, man? You think like everyone else like has it figured out and they're normal and just, they feel comfortable in their friendships? No. If you think you're so weird, a lot of people also think they're very weird, and they're also very wrong, because in most cases they're not that weird. So again, maybe you really are very weird, but you're not too weird to make friends. That's just an excuse that's making you waste time and waste your life away, leading you, or rather making you stuck on the path to loneliness and misery. So, sort it out.